Right, so this is another video that I want to do. We are going to take this house and we're going to change the roof style. And all we're doing is we're changing the look of it. So the first thing we have to do is load the material first. And I've already downloaded the images that I want to use. So I'm going to choose a diamond shape that's kind of red. And we'll go from there. So we're going to click on materials. And I'm going to scoot this over so you can see. First thing I need to do is go to this little ball down here and choose create new material. And then the next thing is rename that, and I'm going to call this roof diamond. Because these are, roof, how about roof? So these are going to be a little diamond pattern. And I'm going to go to appearance, and then I'm going to double click image. And then I'm going to find the roof diamond shape that I selected earlier. So there it is. And that's what it's going to look like. So it looks a lot like scales. One of the things I like to do is change this color. I don't know if it really makes a big difference or not, but I like to try to match it a little bit to what we're using. So let's see if we can get something that looks a little more like it. All right, maybe that, but a little bit darker. So I'm watching this preview down here. I think we need to have it a little more yellow and less saturated. There we go. I like that one. So it doesn't have to be exact, just close. If you want the RGB values, those are the numbers there. So if you want to go to the graphics and use that same color, you could replace the 120s with that same number series and change how it looks in the other views. So, but right now we're only worried about the realistic appearance. So we're going to click apply. And then OK. And then the next thing I need to do is make a new roof. So I don't want to change the one that's in the database. We're going to choose edit type. And I like the structure. We're not going to change the structure. We're just changing the outer appearance. So I'm going to choose duplicate, and I'm going to call it roof diamonds. And then we're going to click OK. Next thing I need to do is go to the structure, choose edit. Right now it's asphalt shingle, which I don't like how it looks. And I'm going to change that to my roof diamond. So I'm going to go search for roof and find the diamond one. Notice how I make the stuff I created in uppercase. That way it shows up easily when I'm scanning through there. And then I'm going to click OK, and then OK. And we're going to see if the appearance is correct. So when I look at that, it's there, but if you look, that is super tiny. It's very, very small. So we had to do this with the brick as well. It's normal on this that you have to rescale things, either make it bigger or smaller based on the image. Usually you have to make it bigger. So I like the look, but it's just too small. So we're going to go to the materials. This is in the Manage tab, and I'm going to open Roof Diamond. I'm going to scoot this over so we can see. I'm going to double click where the image is. And right now, this is a 1 foot by 1 foot. I think it needs to be a lot larger. So let's try, again, not offset. I want to go to sample size. Okay. We want to change this to a lot larger. I think it needs to be 5 times as big. And then we're going to click done and choose apply and see what that does for us. So now I'm watching the roof. That's closer. I actually think it needs to be a little bit bigger. So we're going to click it again. And then we're going to highlight the number 5. Let's change it to 6. Hit tab so it goes to both and click done. And then apply. Watch what happens to the roof. Okay, I think that's more reasonable for that style of roof. Again, this is just kind of a look. We're not actually changing the structure, so it's not changing anything other than anything else about our house. But if we look at the building now, we can see that we have the custom bricks and custom roof assigned. So thank you for watching. I hope this helps you get exactly the look that you want.